Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create moving background on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on my InShot application. I'm going to select InShot and I'm going to go to the video section. Then I'm going to click on new to create new project, and then I'm going to select video from my gallery. I'm going to select this video for example, and I'm going to make the background of this video moving. Guys, I'm going to change the canvas, and then I'm going to duplicate my video. We're going to click on duplicate menu, and then I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can click on switch like this, and I'm going to make the second video align with my first video like this, and I'm going to remove the background of it. We can go to the cow dot option right here, and then I'm going to use the cow dot menu to automatically remove background from my video. Or you can use the chroma feature if your video is green screen video, and since my video is not green screen video, so I use this cow dot option. Okay, now the background has been removed, and then I'm going to apply animation to my main layer. I'm going to go to the animation. Guys, this one, and then I'm going to apply combo animation. Okay, okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys. Alright, and let's see the final result. As you can see guys, that the background is moving, and you can customize the animation according to your needs. You can apply another animation if you want. Let's try this one guys. You can customize the duration as well, and it's up to you. Choose the animation that you like. Okay, I'm going to increase the duration. Alright, and this is what we have. Okay, the background is moving. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create moving background on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.